I-crystal ne ikubonisa izinto ezingabonwa.
Like how?
Like bengiyibona inyoka ebusuku.
Hey.
Fly a dragon.
So bebona huwe kuphela.
Sonke thina laba esibhemile si high.
No.
So I don't know what kind of a drug ukuthi linjani lela drug. On that time bengayazi ukuthi why bengichubeka.
Yeah.
Because again kwesikhathi before enjoy ngisho.
Sure.
But isikhathi masesiya bese kubuya I think bese lingijwayele le drug bese kubuya yonke into. Ukuthi benginjani before.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So ngiba ne depression more.
Yeah.
Like ngizisole.
Yeah.
Ngikhale. Like uyawubona ayaflya. And ekusebusuku ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Because bengithatha 7 days ngalali.
7 days?
Yes.
Is that possible?
100% possible.
Yeah.
I-crystal meth is dangerous.